Welcome to Sekikawa!
Wow, so exciting!
So let's take a walking tour. Come follow me this way. The town has its own name. In the past, each of those were separate villages.
Oh, okay.
Now they're called communities. So this community is called Shimaseki. In the Edo period, there was kind of heavy. Kind of the way. Okay, and so okay.
Left hand, right
Left
hand.
right hand, wash your mouth and rinse your hands as you wash your mouth. Respecting nature and respecting nature. So it was brought into the center of town. This is like represents light. Again, it's very closely related to wisdom. Like sometimes maintaining the wisdom is very difficult. That's the meaning behind it. So it's a good way to give people a sense of community. And so they would use.
The flat part, right? Oh, the rocks?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So ishi means rock. Oki means put down. And then koba is the wooden flat.
Okay.
Ishi oki koba bukiyami.
Like a moat in front of them too, basically.
And there's this kind of moat all over Sekikawa, but like people use the water there for daily like washing and stuff like that. Like it all over Japan, like there's moats around houses. Make it special. Okay. Big house. One of them is the roof. Another one is this floor. Is there anything you notice about this constitution? He made a family constitution, and one of the things that he decided is we're not going to have a luxurious lifestyle. Beautiful house, yeah, great house, but we simply not live in luxury. Yeah. And there's a whole bunch of other laws. And after he established that, we're building all of those laws.
Oh, it's like cherry wood or something.
Feel it.
Oh, wow.
It's lacquered. All of it is lacquered. It's called urushi lacquer. Right?
Yeah.
But in this room, they chose it on purpose because it looks like Japanese golden coins. So people in this room can look up and have dreams of becoming rich.
Yeah,
So
it's
it enjoyed the pattern, like purposely made use of this. We're going to overview of the entire history of Sekikawa village. How far back do you think it goes?
600 years.
Try again.
More than that?
Oh yeah. After the samurai era, it was made, but like it's a replica. Oh, you look great. He was Lord of the Hustle at the time. He became the mayor of Sekikawa. He did a lot of stuff too. These are like some of the tools people used in the past. This is a knife. Try cutting it. They're like all small Opens up your nose, right?
Mm-hmm. Itadakimasu.
See how they absorb the flavor really well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice fun tree texture.
Yum. It's hot though.
See here? That's the
Wow.
past snake.
It is so
see how
long.
82.8 meters in commemoration of when the flood happened.
Wow.